guys. It's Friday, about 5 o'clock. A long week of work is over. Weather is beautiful. Ice is gone from the lakes. It's time to go on the first fishing trip this year. We're gonna try to catch some trout. And we're gonna make some coffee and just enjoy being outdoors. So, thanks for clicking that button, and I hope you'll follow me for this little video. Savage Gear Roadrunner. It's a really small, thin rod. Packs up in 4 pieces, so it's easy to bring along on hikes and stuff. Had it now for probably the 4th season I'm using this. It's held up real good. Good rod. The reel I'm using is the Safina Noir from Okuma, also really small. It works great for fishing small trout and stuff around here. Trout of the year. Not too big, but goes well in the frying pan. Seems good. trout number 3 today. It's good.
She's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift.
Cheers.
And hope that you'll take it into her side. She's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift, and hope that you'll take it into your side.
Hello, if you're still watching. So this was my first time ever going out shooting a YouTube video for you guys. Unfortunately, my camera ran out of batteries at the end, so I couldn't really finish up, but I'm saying goodbye now on my cell phone. Wow, that was a deer running right in the woods here. Cool. So I hope you liked it, and would really appreciate a thumbs up and maybe even a subscription if you want to see more content like this. Just making videos, it's fun, and I get to be outside all day doing stuff I like, so that's good too. So now it's home, frying some trout and having some beers. Have a good weekend, guys.